In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove permissions from Google Sheets. We will walk through removing access completely, limiting what people can do, and locking down sharing so your data stays private. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account so you see the sheet you actually want to manage. A quick check is to look at the account picture in the top right of the browser and confirm it matches the account that owns or uses this file. Once your sheet is open, click the Share button in the top right corner. It usually appears as a colored button with the word Share next to a small icon. When you click it, a sharing window slides open over your sheet and slightly grays out the background, so you know you are now working with access settings. Under People with Access, find the person you want to remove. You will see a list of names or email addresses, each with their role to the right. If you have many people listed, you may need to scroll inside this window to find the right one, so take a moment to match the exact email before you change anything. After you find them, click the drop-down menu next to their permission, for example, Editor or Viewer. This small menu sits directly in line with their name and opens a short list of options when you click it. A common beginner slip is clicking the wrong person here, so double-check you are on the correct row before opening the menu. From that drop-down, select Remove Access. Once you click it, their role disappears and they are no longer listed under People with Access. If you later share with them again, they will get a fresh invitation, but for now they are fully removed. If you see a prompt to save, click Save. Sometimes Google Sheets applies this automatically, but if the button appears at the bottom of the window, clicking it confirms the change. The person will immediately lose access to the spreadsheet, so if they try to open an old link, they will see a message that they do not have permission. If instead of removing them, you only want limited access, open Share again. The same sharing window appears, with People with Access and General Access sections. This lets you confirm at a glance who still has what level of control. Find the person's name, then click their current permission. You will see options for Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Viewer can only look, Commenter can add comments without editing cells, and Editor can change content, sheets, and formatting, which is the highest level. Choose one of Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, depending on what they actually need. Then save your changes. When this updates, their role label next to their name changes right away, and they do not need a new link. Their access level simply updates the next time they use the file. If anyone with the link can currently access the spreadsheet, you will see that in the Share window under General Access. It might read anyone with the link and show a role such as Viewer or Editor. This setting is broad and often left on by accident. Click Share again to adjust this. Under General Access, click the current setting, for example, anyone with the link. When you click it, a small panel appears where you can change how open the link is to others. Change it to Restricted, then click Done. As soon as you do, only people listed under People with Access can open the sheet, even if someone forwards the old link, so it is a quick way to close the door on unwanted viewers. If you are the owner and do not want editors inviting other people, click Share again. At the top right of the sharing window, click the Settings gear icon. This opens a simple settings panel focused on how sharing behaves for editors. Turn off editors can change permissions and share. Once you switch this off, editors can still work on the content, but they can no longer add new people or adjust roles. Close the dialog. Your changes are saved automatically, so you do not need any extra confirmation. You have now removed or limited access, tightened link sharing, and stopped editors from resharing your Google Sheet. If this helped you lock down your sheet, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more clear Google Workspace tips.